see the street. What do you put in immigration? You are not allowed anybody.
So now you got documents. You do codification.
Of course.
Because you say no. Kumasi to set it to Kumasi.
And we're saying a cheaper 18.
Yes.
You say that you enter community.
No.
Come on. Pass it. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. What you say? Now, Queen.
California, but I'm a cobblers. I can check Madam
for. California?
Yeah.
And I'll cobblers. I can check what I
Yeah.
Please. Are you a citizen in America?
Yeah.
Let me see your passport, please.
This is my passport and this is my green card.
This is your green card?
Yeah.
Check for me.
Sorry for Michael.
Yeah, man.
Check for Michael. What's the fine?
Go California.
Oko Bronx.
Yeah, man. You can check Madam for your bonds.
Yes, resident California.
Yeah. Oko home plan, I said.
Madam.
Okay, nice.
Or by mobile 3 days ago, there was a missing question.
Okay. I said because immigration, I said, because a man for you, a name, and you can say, Allow my own. I say, and I ban it to me, Bia commands, never want to know many people go and sign up. I bet have you.
I should say, yeah.
Oh, you have
Valid.
right. Tell you, not actually.
American citizen.
Yeah, man. Oh, what's your name, sir? I said,
but it's not allowed to do ever cross the border, and that's why. Because since I won't want to do it, is come to me, could have and telephone home behind 2 professors and get a cobana of
oh, we don't know. I never know.
I didn't imagine.
Oh, I never make a crib, no, and anything I may come down from because somebody come on. Check.
Are they?
Oh,
are they?
I knew you
No,
somebody crammed
also
is special. Also is special.
Okay.
Hey!
Ha!
How's that?
Yeah.
Where are you, man? Okay, get up. Get up. Come on, get up. Get up. Okay. I'm sorry, sir. No, what's I'm saying? No, what's mother? You so. What can I say? Who's so one? I don't know what
once I send you about any partner, can't you also know about Trema on your casa?
My friend, you can make any. What's your passport? Akramije. What's your passport? Mbeko. Who need me?
Mbeko.
Now, so we need you. What? We see the enter communica.
Just how did you get to what I answer?
No. Sure. Massa. Okay. What you mean? No. What you mean to quite inquire and I don't visa. It was a within the panel. Everything against the
yes, oh, yeah, they are mistaken and I'm seeing our training. I was like, I want to watch here. No, about me for a
police when you about people don't beat immigration. When you bring your answers, what you say? Who the necessary documents are with beat immigration in America?
Yeah, from watching.
No, but criminal.
Meaning, sir, it's not watching, and out here.
No, also, what did you say? Also, me person, no. It's got
who open last round will be BT. Me guess illegally, no. Or can't
man, sir. So watch me, you bet me up station.
Let's go to vacation. Come on, come. Move inside. Okay. Now, who think can over American? When you pass the answer about why you over the Sadama? No, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, your assessment call.
For next time, I feel cool.
My friend, let the phone come back. Wait. Let's go to the gate. Go. Let's go. Let's go to office. Let's go. Let's go to office. No. Let's go.
Who guys are making cross border illegally now? Huh? Who is before so bad and tell to America? I was a winner with valid passport. I just saw a citizen and I said green card just when a permanent residence. I'm that's the idea, bro. For the deportation center. Don't be silly.